Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Canon 128 toner is probably one of the most reliable and cost-effective printing solutions for your home or office. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Canon 128 toner, exploring its performance, print quality, and overall value. We'll also compare it to other toner cartridges on the market, helping you make an informed decision about whether this is the right choice for your printing needs. Number 5. V4 Ink CRG 128 Toner Cartridge for Canon HP. Introducing the V4 Ink compatible toner cartridge. This is a replacement for Canon 128 and HP 78A cartridges. It's easy to install and ready to go. You'll receive 2 packs of the V4 Ink toner cartridges. Each cartridge can print up to 2,100 pages based on 5% coverage, so you can print more and spend less. This toner cartridge works with a variety of Canon and HP printers. Check the list to see if it's compatible with yours. It's designed for reliable performance. Each V4 Ink toner cartridge undergoes thorough testing. It delivers sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics. You can expect high-quality prints every time. The V4 Ink toner cartridge meets the highest standards of quality. It's designed to be reliable and compatible, ensuring no harm to your printer. Choose this as your printing partner. What we like. This toner comes in a convenient 2-pack, perfect for those who print regularly. It offers a high page yield, meaning fewer replacements and more printing. If you have a busy office or print a lot of documents, this is a great choice. What people say. The toner cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The toner works great with my printer. Number 4. V4 Ink Canon 128 CRG 128 Toner Cartridge, 4-pack. Introducing the V4 Ink compatible toner cartridge, designed as a replacement for Canon 128 CRG 128. This 4-pack offers a reliable and cost-effective printing solution. It's easy to install and ready to use. The package includes 4 black toner cartridges and an easy-to-follow installation guide. You'll find that it's simple to set up and your printer will recognize it immediately. Get up to 2,100 pages per cartridge, based on 5% coverage. This means you can print more without constantly replacing the cartridge, saving you money in the long run. This toner cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Canon image class and fax phone printers, as well as HP Pro models. It's a versatile choice for various printing needs. Each toner cartridge undergoes thorough testing to ensure sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics. It meets the highest standards of quality, reliability, and compatibility, and it won't harm your printer. What we like. This product offers a 4-pack, providing even greater value and convenience. It ensures reliable printing with sharp text and crisp graphics. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for high-volume printing, you should consider this one. What people say. Well packaged and performs well. These replacement cartridges worked flawlessly in my color laser printer. They were super easy to install. My machine recognized them instantly, and I didn't get any error messages. The print quality is crisp and clear, just as good as the expensive brand name originals. Print quality is sharp and consistent, just as good as the original Brother cartridges I've used in the past. The high-yield design means I can go a long time between replacements, which is a big plus for an older printer that still gets a lot of use. Number 3. LxTek Canon 128 Toner Cartridge Replacement. Introducing the LxTek Toner Cartridge Replacement for Canon 128. This cartridge is designed to deliver excellent printing results. It's a reliable choice for your printing needs. Each LxTek toner cartridge undergoes rigorous testing. This ensures that it meets industry quality standards. You can expect superb performance with every print. The package includes 4 black toner cartridges. These are compatible with Canon 128 printers. It provides you with ample supply for your printing tasks. Get up to 2,100 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage. This high yield means less frequent replacements. It helps you save time and money. This toner cartridge works with various Canon image class and fax phone models. It is compatible with a wide range of printers. It offers versatility and convenience. The intelligent IC chip ensures a smooth printing experience. It works seamlessly with your printer. This ensures consistent and reliable performance. What we like. The product undergoes strict quality control for superb results. It features a smart chip for a smooth and reliable printing experience. If you value consistent performance and ease of use, you'll appreciate this toner. What people say. The print quality is sharp and clear, and I haven't noticed any smudging or fading, even after several pages. The cartridges seem to last quite a while, making them an economical choice compared to brand-name toner. The print quality has been excellent with no glitches or compatibility issues, and installation on my Canon printer copier is a snap. Number 2. Toner Kingdom Canon 128 CRG 128 Toner Cartridge. Introducing the Toner Kingdom compatible toner cartridge. This is a reliable replacement for your Canon printer, ensuring quality prints every time. This cartridge is compatible with a wide range of Canon image class and fax phone printers. It's designed for easy installation and seamless performance. You'll receive a 2-pack of black toner cartridges. Each cartridge is designed to deliver high-quality prints, making it ideal for both home and office use. Get up to 2,100 pages per cartridge with 5% coverage on A4 paper. It offers a high yield, ensuring you get the most out of it. Expect photo-quality printouts that last. The prints are crisp, clear, and designed to maintain their quality over time. If you encounter any issues, please contact us. We are here to help you resolve any problems with your purchase. What we like. This toner offers a high page yield for lasting prints. It delivers photo-quality printouts that are crisp and clear. If you need high-quality prints and reliable customer support, this is a great option. What people say. Fit and function great for a much lower cost. The pull tabs, to remove protective packaging, came out easier and more smoothly than other brands had. Also, this one actually clicked into place far easier than the other brands I'd used. Number 1. LxTek Canon 128 CRG 128 Toner Cartridge Replacement. This is a compatible toner cartridge from LxTek. It's designed to replace the Canon 128 CRG 128 toner cartridges. It offers a reliable printing solution. Each LxTek toner cartridge undergoes strict testing. This ensures it meets industry quality control standards, delivering excellent print results. The package includes 2 black toner cartridges. They are compatible with Canon 128 CRG 128 models. You'll have everything you need to start printing. Each cartridge can print up to 2,100 pages. This is based on 5% coverage. It provides a long-lasting and cost-effective printing solution. This toner cartridge works with various Canon image class and fax phone printers. It is compatible with a wide range of models. You can easily find the right fit for your printer. The cartridge features an intelligent IC chip and refined toner. This ensures a smooth and consistent printing experience. It's designed for optimal performance. What we like. The product undergoes strict quality control for superb results. It features a smart chip for a smooth and reliable printing experience. If you value consistent performance and ease of use, you'll appreciate this toner. What people say. It is a 2-cartridge package. I do a lot of printing and am still using the first one. It appears to last a long time. The print quality is still coming out excellent. Works with no problem. Fits printer, works as described, nice to have 2 included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.